Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see प्राथमिक अनुवाद अभ्यास lesson 8 हिंदी में अनुवाद कीजिए. Will be given sentences in English or otherwise in regional languages. We have to write these sentences in Hindi. Now the first question, he can do this work. He means वह. This means यह. Work means काम. Can do कर सकता. So now we will form the sentence. वह यह काम कर सकता है. He can do this work. वह यह काम कर सकता है. He can do this work. वह यह काम कर सकता है. He can do this work. वह यह काम कर सकता है. Second question. We can fly in the sky. Sky means आकाश. In Hindi. We means हम. Fly means उड़ना. So we can whenever we use can, सकता, सकती, सकते, depending on the sentence we will use. So we means plural. So सकते है will be in present tense. है will become है because it is plural. Now we will form the sentence. We can fly in the sky. So we will form the sentence in Hindi. हम आकाश में उड़ सकते हैं. हम आकाश में उड़ सकते हैं. We can fly in the sky. हम आकाश में उड़ सकते हैं. Now I can speak in Hindi. Is the third question. Third question is now I can speak in Hindi. Now means अब in Hindi. I means मैं. Can means सकता हूँ because मैं comes end of the sentence will be हूँ. Speak means बोलना. So with this we form the sentence. Now I can speak in Hindi. अब मैं हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ. Now I can speak in Hindi. ना अब मैं हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ. Now I can speak in Hindi. अब मैं हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ. Now we will go to the fourth question. That old woman cannot see well. Old woman is बुढ़िया in Hindi. Well means अच्छी. See means देखना. So can not. So नहीं सकती. Cannot नहीं सकती. So with this words will form the sentence. वह बुढ़िया अच्छी तरह देख नहीं सकती. वह बुढ़िया अच्छी तरह देख नहीं सकती. That old woman cannot see well. वह बुढ़िया अच्छी तरह देख नहीं सकती. That old woman cannot see well. वह बुढ़िया अच्छी तरह देख नहीं सकती. Now fifth question. I could not hear his speech. I means मैं, so it will hint could not. So could not means नहीं सका. Hear means सुनना. Speech means बात. Whatever he spoke, I did not hear. That is the meaning of the sentence. I could not hear his speech. मैं उनकी बात सुन नहीं सकता. मैं उनकी बात सुन नहीं सकता. मैं उनकी बात सुन नहीं सकता. I could not hear his speech. मैं उनकी बात सुन नहीं सकता. I could not hear his speech. मैं उनकी बात सुन नहीं सका, मैं उनकी बात सुन नहीं सका। Next, they can understand Hindi. They means way. Hindi will be Hindi only. They is plural, so sakte will come and hai present tense hai will come. Understand is samaj. Understand samaj. वे हिंदी समझ सकते हैं। They can understand हिंदी। वे हिंदी समझ सकते हैं। They can understand हिंदी। वे हिंदी समझ सकते हैं। They can understand हिंदी। वे हिंदी समझ सकते हैं। Seventh question. That girl could not write legibly. That means वह। Girl means लड़की। Could not नहीं सकी। Could not नहीं सकी। Write means लिखना। So लिख is the verb. लिख। Soft, legibly, soft, soft, legibly. So we'll form the sentence. वह लड़की साफ लिख नहीं सकी। वह लड़की साफ लिख नहीं सकी। That girl could not write legibly. Next, we will go to the 8th question. Father could not send money. Father means Pitaji. Money means paise. Send means bejna is the verb. In that we take bej. Could not nahi sake. Could not nahi sake. So we'll form the sentence. Pitaji paise bej nahi sake. Pitaji paise bej nahi sake. Father could not send money. Father could not send money. पिताजी पैसे भेज नहीं सके। 9th question. We can give cow's milk to the child. We can. We means हम। Child is बच्चे। Cow means गाय। Milk means दूध। Can सकते हैं। We is plural. हम बच्चे को गाय का दूध दे सकते हैं। We can give cow's milk to the child. हम बच्चे को गाय का दूध दे सकते हैं। We can give cow's milk to the child. हम बच्चे को गाय का दूध दे सकते हैं। We can give cow's milk to the child. हम बच्चे को गाय का दूध दे सकते हैं। 10th question. Cats can see well in the night. Cats means बिल्लियाँ। बिल्ली is singular, बिल्लियाँ is plural. Cats is plural, so we use here बिल्लियाँ. Night means रात. Well means अच्छी. See means देखना. In that we take the verb देख. So बिल्लियाँ is female gender, so we use सकती हैं. है will become है plural. Present tense plural. सकती हैं. बिल्लियाँ रात में अच्छी तरह देख सकती हैं। Cats can see well in the night. बिल्लियाँ रात में अच्छी तरह देख सकती हैं। बिल्लियाँ रात में अच्छी तरह देख सकती हैं। Cats can see well in the night. बिल्लियाँ रात में अच्छी तरह देख सकती हैं। So we have seen all the 10 questions. We'll say it again. So first one, he can do this work. वह यह काम कर सकता है। Second question, we can fly in the sky. हम आकाश में उड़ सकते हैं। Third question, now I can speak in Hindi. अब मैं हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ. Fourth question. That old woman cannot see well. वह बुढ़िया अच्छी तरह देख नहीं सकती. Fifth question. I could not hear his speech. मैं उनकी बात सुन नहीं सका. They can understand. Sixth question. They can understand Hindi. वे हिंदी समझ सकते हैं. Seventh question. That girl could not write legibly. वह लड़की साफ लिख नहीं सकी. Eighth question. Father could not send money. पिताजी पैसे भेज नहीं सके. Ninth question. We can give cow's milk to the child. हम बच्चे को गाय का दूध दे सकते हैं. 10th question. Cats can see well in the night. बिल्लियां रात में अच्छी तरह देख सकती हैं. Cats can see well in the night. बिल्लियां रात में अच्छी तरह देख सकती हैं. So we have repeated all the 10 questions again. You have to first say in Hindi along with the regional or English language these sentences. Then write it in Hindi and practice it. Once you start practicing, it will be easy for you to write. Thank you.